Yeah, I know. Yeah, well, no kidding, buddy. أحسن حاجة التصوير. يو.
It's good.
واعر الدراري والله تشوه.
صراحة. دراري.
يو 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 صباح خير الدراري. ماتريال جو برو هاد اللعيبة ديال الفون ومشيو غنجرب واحد اللعيبة. فاش كنت صغير كنت كنبقى ليا بحال هكا في التلفازة واعرة غنتلاح من الطيارة. خليك معايا في هاد الفلوق اللي غيكون سبيشال. عرفتي فاش كدير شي لعيبة كانت الحلم ديالك من الصغر. خليك معايا في هاد الفيديو. راه ليا باراشيد الدراري. ويلكم بيانفوني اهلا بكم. العربية الدراري العربية العرب مرحبون بهم. المهم هادي بدا الباراشيد راهي الطيارة. شوف 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 مكتفاش بعيدة من تما غتلاح. هنا كاين بنادم. واه ترى الطيارة بعيدة. واه راه ندخل نشوف اخوتنا شنو غيقولوا. والله حتى حاسب واحد الفرحة مقودة الدراري ديال بصح. هاو بنادم معايا ترى طالعين مزيان.
Okay, I will give you my name. Good, how are you guys?
Hi sir, I need to check in.
Check in.
Thank you.
What's this? Check tags.
Thanks again, sir. Yep.
أنا نديرو تسجيل الدخول ديالنا الدراري. نديرو تشيك ان دابا.
Groupon, so that's also the video package is 100.
Full video.
So you'll get fully edited. You just need to wait real quick so if you can hop up on the scale down there.
وزن ديالك. Thank you.
الله يحفظك. باش نتفرجوا في هذا الفيديو ديال السيفتي وداك الشيء ومن بعد نطلعوا نقص. شوفوا شي واحد اللي كينقص قبل منا. واه بنادم من المليون. ما يبانوش الكاميرا حيت عاليين بزاف. دابا ندخل الويفر روم. هي هادي الويفر روم. شكون راه تعمر العباد ديالك هنا. تفرج الفيديو ديال السيفتي زاهي. الله يحفظك. هما الناس اللي يتلاحوا معنا. سير ورا. warning. فهاد الوراق هادو كتسيني واحد الورقه ديال في حالات متي ما كنتحملوش مسؤوليه.
Amin, Ronnie, and Tiffany.
Hello.
Right, just a couple things on the waiver I'm going to go over with you guys. On the front, it's going to ask you for your physical condition. There you can write anything. Good, great, amazing. You're going to initial at the bottom of every page. Anywhere where it says weight as determined by our scale or witness, you can leave that blank. This is your information again. Do you guys have any questions for me? No. All right, so we just ask that you stay in the waiver room for the duration of the entire video. It's about 27 minutes long. I'll be back.
اخيرا سالينا هاد الشرايط راجع في الوراق. تخيل معايا باش يموتيفيوك كيقول لك على الرعب وعلى الموت على شنو ممكن يطرا. ويلا كملنا الفيديو هذا باش تهبط. هادي باغي نقص دابا. والله ما حسيت بشي خوف.
Just an initial here.
ترى بدي الطيارة ما هزت الشراسة. ترى قد تحمل فوق بفار كتشربها كذا حق. والله نبغى ننقص داو باش نسم. قال شوفوه ينقص. زايا. يا الدراري تلاقاو في السما. اوكي. This is Ayman, yeah.
They all have different heights.
Sure. النوبل يا الدراري. بس نجي. حقيقي.
Like a coat. Nope, the other way.
Other way?
Yeah, you break your back if you want that way. I'm not taking you, so you might want to save your video. I'm not jumping with you. I'm just getting you ready. They're going like with your buddies or your friends. Or,
Make sure it's good.
you know what I mean? A tandem is just like, this is like an introductory
Yeah, pretty, yeah.
to it, you know?
Either way.
I mean, the parachute's comfortable. It's not, these harnesses, they hurt after a minute, you know? All right, so when you come in the land, have to, the higher you get up, the better. Oh, you can stand up, you can stand up. You guys got the, you got the juice over there, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you get the
She didn't say, okay.
All right, yeah, no problem. They're coming in off the field right now. So they'll be come grab you. They'll buy you in. Okay?
Right.
Come on over here. So when I land, I'm just going to drop you and I won't see you again, and I apologize. This is my ugly picture right here. These are some pre-signed certificates, so I'm sure you get one before you go home. And then you can stand behind the sign over there, and you can get a cool picture. It looks like this. Right behind the danger sign. Hold up your certificate. Okay? All right, come on over here.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome, man. Next job.
Have a great time.
I have to stand right behind the danger sign. Cool. All right, my man, where are you going?
To the sky.
You going to the sky?
Of course.
You jumping out of an airplane?
Yeah.
Are you crazy?
Of course, yeah.
Of course, yeah?
Yeah.
Well, crazy's gonna come in handy in about 10 more minutes.
Sure.
We got a beautiful day. Are you ready to skydive?
Of course, yeah.
Go get it, brother!
Yeah.
Woo! Yeah!
I don't know what you want. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side. Don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love. Try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna cry, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. you want. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall.
Just made a skydive, dude!
ترى ما يمكنش الدراري احسن شعورة تشوفوا بحياتك.
Nice job, dude!
That's very good, man.
Kind of fun, huh?
I want to do it every day.
You say you wanna try, but you never do.
Nice. Now go to the left. Yep. Up on this one, down on that one. Now go this way. All right, dude. It's time to bring it on home. Here we go, buddy. Woo! Right up at the camera and give a wave. Woo!
Hey, wow. Thank you so much, man.
Dude, you just jumped out of an airplane, man. How cool was that?
Oh yeah.
You rocked it, brother. Nice
Thanks,
job, man. Nice job.
Nice one. Thanks.
Congratulations. Welcome to skydiving and skydive Pepperell. We'll see you next time.
Of course.
All right.
بالروس ولا الدراري نقدر نقول لك خاصك تشرب مقود واعر فينا السيرتيفيكيت هاي غنوريها لكم داكشي واعر نتمنى تكون انجويتي معايا.